Yes. Super chatter, interactive communication. Great, great, great. So again, I'm going to give you 20 more seconds to answer this. Then we'll move to the next part of the session. Okay, anything new? So I think everyone has actually answered. Can you just show me a thumbs up if you have actually answered? Okay, great. Darsh, what about you? Yeah, great, done. So Vidit, Alankrita, Mohila, Arushi, Sarita. Okay, great, great. I can see everyone. Cool. Okay, so thanks everyone for actually sharing a lot of actually answers, and I like actually everyone can always reply. This is also a very unique, right? So that's why we need these AI bots so that they can answer every questions, right? Even if the human beings are not available, right? Okay, thanks everyone for this Menti answering on the Mentimeter. Now we'll move to the next part of our session where we're going to learn like how to create a chatbot. Okay. Yes. So guys, even if you are not able to actually log in into that, what you can do, you can follow our manuals or you can again watch this session. Okay. I'm going to explain everything in the playground. Okay. You can follow that after the class. Great. So first what you have to do, you have to actually open AI Playground. Yes, so I have opened AI Playground. So what is AI Playground? So AI Playground is basically created by CamK 12. Okay, so this playground is created for the students like you. So what you can do, you can write your code here and you can create your own chatbot. So you can control the computer. Okay, so today we're going to learn sentiment analysis bot. Okay, so I can see a lot of faces like what is sentiment analysis, right? So we're going to create a bot who is going to actually read your statements, or you can say understand your statements, right? So I can see she's quite happy, right? So I can read from the video, right? Similarly, all the kids have a different you can say expression right now, right? So what we are going to learn today, we're going to learn like how suppose I'm going to say like I'm happy to see you all, right? So what's your reaction? So everyone seems happy, right? So I can read from my mind, right? Great. And similarly, if I'm going to say like I lost my mobile, right? So I can see some on some of the faces, some of them are actually sad, right? So from these expression, I am going to write a code to understand like whether it's a happy statement or a sad statement. Okay. And then we're going to display the smileys. So who all have actually used smileys? Okay, Darsh has used. I guess everyone has used. So maybe on WhatsApp, Facebook, right? Yes. Great, great, great. So so guys, don't be disappointed. I'm going to give you time at the end of the session to take all the questions. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So this is our playground. So on the left hand side is our coding platform where we are going to actually write the code, and based on that code, you're going to get your response. Okay, so let me just show you like how it works. So I'm going to write bot.send. Welcome to my workshop. So we all know like whenever we have to send any message on WhatsApp or anywhere, we have to use the send button, right? Or the arrow button. So similarly, we are going to actually use bot.send. So bot is what? The bot who is going to respond, right? So we are going to use bot.send. In that, whatever you're going to pass. So suppose you have written this. So let's click here. Hi. Okay, so hi is coming, right? So let me do a change. Okay, there is some problem. Okay, so let me again write this. Bot.send welcome to my workshop. So whenever you're going to write anything, we have to click on this green button. Okay, so it's kind of like you are saving this and then you're going to run the code. So just click on here. So you can see you will get welcome to my workshop. Okay, so even you have here that there is a voice, right? So what you can do here, you can mute this by clicking on this button if you don't want the voice noise. Okay, so suppose I'm typing hi. So you can see like you're getting hi here, right? So he's just copying you. Okay, so why he's copying you? So whatever you're going to write in this hi is going to come into this word. Okay, input text. Got it? So whatever you're going to write here, it's going to come inside this. And I already told you like we are going to use bot.send, right, to send any message. So you can see like in line number 3 we are writing bot.send and the same thing. So that's why he's just copying you. Okay, so instead of that I'm going to just write here, just delete this and write welcome. So whenever we have to do any change, we have to click on this. Okay, then only this bot is going to respond. Okay, so I'm going to say hi. So you can say you receive welcome here. Cool. So next thing is, so we are going to actually work on sentiment analysis bot. Okay, so how it works, whatever we're going to type here. So for example, right now I'm typing I am happy. You can see that the same welcome is coming here, right? So there is no intelligence in this, right? So we have to put some intelligence in that. So how are we going to do that? So just click on this helper function and search for a predefined function. Predefined means this model, this function is already defined by CamKit for you guys. Okay, so just search for get sentiment. So you just click on this. For that, I'm going to cut this from here. So inside this, I'm going to actually use this. So what is this? This is going to give you, so as the name suggests, this is going to give you some score. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do, we're going to store this score somewhere. Okay, so I'll just give you an example. Like whenever we go to some market to get something, right, we have a basket to store the items, right? So similarly, we're going to create one. You can say a storage variable here, score, to store the value. Great. So I did this. Then what next we have to do? There is a console is there, right? So what we can do in this console, we can see like what computers actually understand. So we can print the value inside this. So just write console dot log. So I'm just going to write score here and quickly just click on sync. So when now write, let me just write I am happy. You can see the score is coming like 0.3 here in the console. Okay, so it's a positive value. So let me write something negative like I told you like I lost my mobile. You can see that I am getting a negative value here. Okay, so computer know like whenever it's a positive value, they're going to give me some positive score. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to write like this, I am very happy. So you can see the score is coming 0.+1, right? So now check for some neutral value. Like I'm going to write my name is Vinay. The computer is saying 0, right? The computer is saying like, so what, your name is Vinay, right? So it's a neutral statement. Great. So now I'm going to help you like how we can use this score to basically create something out of this, like how to actually get the show the emojis based on these scores. So what we're going to do, we're going to write some conditions. Okay, so it is similar to like your parents give you an option, like if you score good marks, you will get some gifts, right? So similarly, or if you didn't score good marks, you will not get nothing, right? So similarly, we're going to use conditions like this. So just write if score is greater than 0. Since we know that whenever it's a positive, it's going to give me value greater than 0. So you all know, like whenever we have to communicate, we have to use what dot send. Just write happy. And the other condition is like if score is less than 0, we are going to do like this. That, okay. And the last condition is like, so last condition is like we're going to bot dot send neutral. But I have already suggested like we are going to use emojis, right? So how to do that? So we have a website called Get Emoji. So let me share in the chat. You can use this. Okay, so this is going to actually show you a lot of emojis, right? So for example, it's a happy statement. Let me use this. Double click on this and use Control C. Okay, Control C, and then go back to your code. And after happy, just put a space and Control V. V for victory. Okay. So now for the sad, let's go there and just copy it. Great. Again, right there like this. And for neutral, like you have no idea like what to answer, you can use something like this. Great. So we don't need this thing, so delete this. So what we have to do next, we have to click on sync the bot. Okay. So let me just show you like how it works. So I'm going to say I am happy to see you all. So let's see what is out. So see, happy is coming, right? And if I'm going to write like this, I am sad, you can see that a sad emoji is coming. Okay, so if I write like this, I am from Noida. So what are you getting? A neutral statement, right? So the importance of this program is basically we don't have to actually write a lot of if else conditions for different scenarios, right? We just have to actually write the code for the score. Got it? So what is the next thing which you have to do? You have to actually click on this publish. Let me just show you. So just click on this publish and just write here, delete untitled and write sentiment analysis bot, and then click on this publish. So when you're going to store this thing, you're going to get a QR code and you're going to get a link.
Welcome to my workshop.
Okay. So what you can do, you can either click on this link like this, or you can scan this thing. If you want to play on your mobile, you can directly scan this. So this is going to actually open a bot on your mobile phone. So great. So this is what we have actually created. Okay. Great. So now what I want you to actually do. So there is a challenge for you. Okay. So let me just give you like where we can actually use this thing. Okay. So what you have to do basically, you have to analyze the, you have to identify, like you just think, and what you have to do, like you have to publish on your Facebook. So you know all have the community link, right? So I'm going to share that link with you. Just give me a second. Even I can I'm also going to actually present you like how to do that. Okay, just give me a second. So this is the link. Okay, great. So what you have to do actually, you have to create a video, okay, explaining. So I'll just give you an idea like what you can do. So just open your camera, okay, and just create a video explaining like where you can use this AI model, okay, the chatbot. So for example, I'll just give you an example like we suppose I have created my own shopping cart app, okay. So there I want to take a feedback of a lot of customers, right? So one option is like I have to either speak with everyone or I have to note it down everywhere, right? Or then I have to do the lot of analysis, like which one is the happy customer, which one is the sad customer. Or the second option is like I can use this bot, and this bot is going to segregate all the customers. Like so, this bot is going to give me the happy customers, sad customers, and the neutral customers. So you all know like we can what we can do, we can actually interact with the sad customers. We reach out to those customers who are sad with our shopping site, right? And we can solve their queries, right? So when we have a lot of customers like 10,000 lakhs of customers, in that case we can basically use such bots. So similarly, what I want you to do, I want you to create a video explaining that where we can use this chat bot to solve any real time problem, okay. So I have given you one example, so don't copy my example, okay. You have to think of yourself, okay, and you have to post on our community. So the student who's going to get the maximum likes is going to get a free pass of a winter camp. Great. So now I want you to actually first fill the, just a second. I'm going to take all the queries from the students. Okay. So first I want you to actually fill one feedback form. Then I'm going to take the feedback. Then I'm going to take all the queries of the students. Okay. Give me a thumbs up, buddies. If you are okay with this, great. Yes, Palak, I'm going to take your question. Yes, great. So let me just share the feedback form. I want you to actually fill this form right away, okay, in the session, because we have a lot of time to discuss. Okay, so just give me a second. I'm just sharing the link with you. So please click on this link and fill the feedback, like share your thoughts about this class, okay? So once you're done with the feedback, please show me a thumbs up. Okay, then I'm going to actually allow you to speak one by one, okay? If you have any query, you can connect with me. So I have also enabled the chat, okay? So you can enter in the chat also, like if you're done with your survey. Great. Yes, I got responses, 4 responses. Yeah, I got it. You can even reply on the chat also. It's open now. Okay. So Ananya, for you, yes, I can display the code also, and we are going to share the manual also. Okay. So you can use that manual after the class to view how to actually create the project, how to actually save the project. Okay. So we are actually using JavaScript here, right? So why we have actually selected JavaScript, so that we can actually help you with your fundamentals, coding fundamentals. Great, great, great. Still everyone have not actually filled the form. Yes. If you guys have any query, you can ask regarding to form also, if you're not able to fill the form or any problem. So we'll have 4 more minutes, then I'm going to take the queries. Okay, the link was not opening. Great. So once you don't have to actually submit the coding link there. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create a video. Okay, so in the video you have to explain like, hi everyone, my name is Vinay. I have created this bot, a sentiment analysis bot, and to solve the real world problem of shopping cart. So where I have a lot of customers. Okay, so I can use this bot to get the feedback of my customers. Okay, so this is the example I'm sharing right now. You can again watch this video after this session if you have any confusion in that. Okay. Palak, you are facing issue. Okay, Palak, let me again share you the link. Please try now. Yes. So step, what we can do, you just come to the community. In the community, we already have shared the link to our this manual. Okay. In this manual, what I did actually, like how to log into this and how you can actually write the code step by step and how to publish. Everything is there in that manual. Yes, Palak, not of form. Okay, you're talking about the AI playground. Okay, great. So let me again show you like what you can do. So what you have to do basically, you have to click on this create new and select the first option, chatbot with code. Okay. So if you're going to follow the manuals, you're going to get everything. Okay, great. So now I'm going to allow everyone to speak, but please maintain some decorum, like one after another. Okay. So you just raise your hand. I'm going to name your, yeah, if you have any query. So just give me a second. So yes. So I want who want to speak, like just unmute your yeah, themselves and just ask the question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Your name, please. Yes.
Rachit.
Yes, Rachit, please.
So I'm saying that in my program,
Yes.
it's when I do when the value is greater than 0, when it's happy,
Mhm.
it's showing your statement is neutral as well.
Okay. So what you have to do actually, you have to check the condition if you have actually written in a proper way. Like if it is written in a if statement or else if statement, you have written on.
Yes, sir. Sir.
But
Yes.
I don't see any problem.
Sir,
Yes. Yes. Please. Yes. Tell me your name, please.
Abhilesh.
Sir.
Yes. Please tell me.
Sir,
Yeah, I can hear you.
can we do it with blocks also?
Yes, you
block.
can also do with block also, but this class is basically based text-based coding. Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
So the AI playground that the where is the coding that is not opening.
So you have
There,
opened.
so there is a black screen.
Yeah. So when you click on the AI playground, the link I have shared with you. So what you have to do basically, you have to click on create new. Okay. Then go to this chatbot with code.
Can you repeat?
Yeah. So what you have to do, you have to just go to this create new chatbot with code. Okay. Then it's going to say like yes. So just click there. So it's going to open the screen. Okay. Great. So for that these kind of question, you can always follow my manuals. Okay. And this video is actually a
Sir.
Facebook like. So what you can do, you can actually see rewatch this session. Okay. If you have any query. Yes, please.
My name is Prithvi Chaudhary.
Yes, Prithvi.
Sir.
Yes, Prithvi. Please tell me.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Please, Prithvi. Please tell me.
No, I'm not Prithvi, I'm Vishnu.
Okay, please. Yeah, Vishnu. Please tell me.
I'm not able to type. I'm only able to move code blocks.
Okay, yeah. So again, like I already told you, like what you have to do, you have to click on this create new and select the chatbot with code. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Let me.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Anyone else have any doubt with like how to post the video on Facebook? Sorry, I can't hear you. There is some disturbance.
Sir, I am Pragni Chaudhary.
Yeah, yeah.
Pragne, I have doubt.
Yes, please tell me your doubt.
Sir, I didn't understand about bot. I'm 8 years old.
Okay.
So I couldn't understand about bot.
Okay. So what we have created today, like we have created a bot who is going to answer based on the statements. Okay. So what we can do, so suppose we have created a bot here, we can integrate with any of the application, like we can integrate with any website, okay, where we can help other people, right, to check their sentiments. Yes, yes. Is it clear? Okay, guys, I'm going to take one more minute. If anyone have any query, please, you can ask.
Sir, that the link you shared with us, that opening of AI playground, that is not opening.
Okay, just a second. Let me again share the link with you. Okay, just try that. Please, just a second. Please try this if it is working or not.
No, it's black only.
Okay, great. No problem. I'll so what you can do in the community, you can post such issues. We are going to revert there only. Okay, or you can follow our manuals, whatever we have shared with you. Okay, so let me give you the manual also. So just give me a second. So just use this manual after this class. Yeah. So you got the link, right? So just save this manual. Great. Any other question? Hello.
I'm going to explain them.
Yes. So this is what this is the so we can end this session now if you don't have any query. So I just want to give me a victory symbol if you have actually liked this class. Great. Everyone. Yes. Darsh, can you just give me a victory symbol?
Syntax.
Just a second.
Sir, yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I got it. I really like this session actually. You all are actually so sweet. You all are so talented. You have answered all the questions. Yes. Please ask.
Can I have the syntax of syntax?
Yeah. So syntax, I have shared one link right in the chat. So just click on that chat. Okay. So just click on that. Yeah, the notion.so. Just click on that. You're going to get this screen, which is already on the screen, right? So you can see like here I have defined everything.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, sir. Do we have to make the smiley scenery?
No. You don't have to. This is for you. Okay. You don't have to create anything. You just create your project and just create a small video explaining like where you can use this. Okay.
Only we have to explain.
Yeah, you only have to explain. Like you just have to. I have already explained. Like my name is Vinay. I have actually created a bot to solve the real-time problem of shopping cart. Okay. So this is how you have to think. Just think for a unique idea. Okay. Just think like from your day-to-day activity where you can apply this bot.
Sir, in neutral, I put a surprise sign, so that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Great. You have completed your project, right? Great.
Sir, is it shopping information?
Sorry,
Is it shopping information?
I didn't get you, buddy.
Is it a shopping information or project?
No, it's a sentiment analysis bot. So I am just giving you an example. Like I can use this to solve the problem of shopping,
Oh,
right? So for example, if you have a website, right? So you have a lot of customers, right? And you want to take the feedback. For example, I want to take a feedback of all of you, right? So I can use this chatbot to take the feedback. You're going to say like, I like the class or I didn't like the class or whatever experience you are facing, right? So I'm going to get these smileys based on your feedback, right? So I don't have to actually read all the feedback. I just want to have like how many students are happy, how many are sad, or how many are neutral. So I can use this. So this is the second example I have shared with you. So now I don't want to give any example. I want you guys to just think and do post on the Facebook, okay? And I'm going to actually check each video and I'm going to like that, okay? Cool. Okay, guys, then see you later. Okay, so I really want to have that video, okay? So just show me a thumbs up like who is going to post the video. Yes.
I am.
I want from everyone, okay? I'm going to like that video. Personally, I'm going to like that video.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, bye. Take care, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.